Tipramotha bodolni EM Runiel Debormani Tidul Mumbai Himbotokni Bishindi Deputation Rizaka Lefunga at the block Habanogobo Aroshan Mungrogni Bishungo Tongo. 1 number immediate implementation of the Tiprasha Accord. Number 2 immediate conduct of village committee election. Number 3 immediate passage of the 125th amendment to the Indian Constitution. Oshan Mungrok Tiprasha Rokni Hamkrani Bagi Belaino Nankukmani.
3 point demand Bingo Tongo.
Sekai besok tapi nanti
ini sini tin dofha dabiti singoro deputation lepike lepunga block simia sara tirpani je joto RD block tongmani je joto block on deputation ri tong sinti promoter party sing joto siwa tiprasani hamkrai naine enke ekmatro promoter party tiprasani hamkrai naine enke ekmatro sini bubagra hawo nokuri tiprasada phono satok pitongni yakni kagruna bagi sin mante sokte mayang tomuni manrna bagi bo hawo nokuri choba khaitam sing joto siyo tai sin tiprasada phono sarati bonin bono phanrui ukluki phanrui na to tai omoni biti no tini singoro rajgat parani simi lefunga blog jora aisa onek kotor rally khai mas rally khai singoro dol kai sing deputation lepeke pesini je blog ni netitoro bujono wakino onje tone adong ro singoro hai blog video ni thani deputation reka video ni through to sing sini governor je tone dunya go deputation bo forward khaine tai sin governor hoito Delhi forward khaine puila demand kai sini je tiprase accord mani omna dati implementation ungtho ungranani bagi ekta 2 number kai Singjoto siyo last village council election 2016 sonong village council election ingyani bagi elected khai chongjagi ni bagi singsiyo village level onek problem choli tongo karon ki local body je point election ni asa sini village level kono funding phaya kam phaya angke nai sini 2016 sini tiprasa hamkraini kono development ning ko village committee level ombaini sin demand dati oti signo village committee election ungthum tai angke 125th amendment act noti Omo dati no bill passing to hunina singkini o deputation ole